Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some lipstick swatches. I'm going to be trying out the Hourglass Volumizing Glossy Balm Phantom lip glosses. I got them in 3 shades. I got them in Mist, Impulse, and Slip. First, I'm going to be trying the color Slip. Love the packaging. Oh my goodness, I love this color. It's nice and glossy, and I generally feel like it complements my natural lip tone. This is the color Slip. Love this. It has just a natural nude. I definitely feel the volumizing effect. It's very plumpy, but it's also nice and glossy. It's also not sticky. Wow, this is really good. Yeah, I'm loving this shade. Definitely, yeah. I love this shade. It's very kissy, super nice. Yeah. Wow, love that shade. Actually, I don't want to take it off. Like, it's so good. Wow, and this is in the color Slip. I love this color. A napkin to take this off. I actually don't want to take it off. These lipsticks actually retail for about $32, I believe. One thing I love is that my lips are still, this is the true color. Wow. It literally just matches my natural lip tone, which I love. And look how hydrating my lips look. Like, wow, it's still so hydrated. I could literally eat a hot dog, I could eat a burger, and I don't have to worry about my lip being dry once I'm washing it down with a drink and digesting my food. I actually really like this. Yeah, very good. That's Slip. Next lipstick color we are going to try, and this is in the shade Mist. Oh, I'm excited about these. Oh, by the way, I did line my lips. Mist is like a pinkier tone than Slip, which I actually love. Okay, let me grab my mirror really quick. Wow. Oh, this is so nice. It's like the perfect nude pink to me. This is what a nude pink looks like. This is super cute. I feel like a baby doll. Oh, I love this, and it's volumizing as well, which I love. Wow. Wow. This is super cute. Oh my goodness. I feel like it brings out my dimples. It feels very bubbly. It's a very bubbly color. I feel like it brightens my smile. Now I'm gonna take it off, but look how hydrated my lips are. They're still so hydrated. I love that for myself. The next color we're gonna try, oh my goodness, don't mind this little pimple right here. Okay, next color we're gonna try is Impulse. Impulse is a deep color, it's a deep shade. And the color that I also want to go and get is Entice. Entice is just like a nice berry crimson color. Oh, it's so pretty. Every time I go to my local Ulta, they're all sold out on Entice, and I see why, because it's such a beautiful color. This is Impulse. We're gonna start with Impulse. Impulse is like a nice berry color. Impulse is actually equivalent to Entice a little bit, close enough. Wow, do you see that? Let's see, let's zoom out a little bit. But wow, this color is so nice. I feel like it complements my makeup and my hair very well. This is a very beautiful, deep crimson berry color, and I'm loving it. I can definitely see myself wearing this at night as well. I can totally see myself wearing this color. So nice, so pretty, so stunning. I actually like this. This is really nice. I had so much fun trying on these shades for you all. I have to say, I generally do love Impulse. However, my favorite has to be Slip because I feel like it just complements my natural lip tone, which I love. And yeah, look at that. This is so nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.